Hi friends, my name is Mohsin. In previous session, we learned what is database and table. In today's session, we are going to learn basic select command. I will share you this employee table in description. It will help you for practice. First, check the database in Dropbox. Default database is master database. You can see here. If you want to select the database from Dropbox, or else you may type use sample #1, select and press F5. We will be in sample. Here I am creating employee table. The first column employee ID is of integer type. Integer type means it will accept only numbers. Rest of the columns having first name, last name, date of birth, city, countries. Most of the data type are varchar. Varchar means variable length. Char means fixed length. Varchar and char will accept only string, characters, alphabets, varchar 20 means it will accept maximum 20 characters. Varchar 15 means it will accept maximum 15 characters. Char 10 means it will accept maximum 10 characters or alphabets. All columns having null or not null value. You can see here, if not null is there, that means it will not accept null values. Here you can see it. Let me create this table. Select and press F5. You can see here command completed successfully. Insert into table. You can see here all strings and characters are in single quotation. And integer values are without single quotation. You can see here. So let me insert the all records and select and press F5, or else you can press execute button as well. 10 rows are affected. You can see. Now if you want to retrieve the data from table, select star from table name, Here our table name is employee table. Select and press F5. You can see the table details: employee ID, first name, last name, gender, date of birth, city, country. If you want to select specific column or one column, what you have to do, you have to type select column name. I'm typing employee EMP-ID from the table. Here our table name is employee table. Select and press F5 or execute button. You can see the detail of employee ID column. Want to select specific columns or multiple column, you have to, instead of star, you have to type the column names. Select column name employee EMP_ID, first name, comma, last name, city, comma, country, from table, employee table. Select and press F1. Here you will see the specific columns what we have typed. Employee ID, first name. If you want the data based on gender, you have to type select star from employee table where gender is equals to, here I want on male basis, male. Here male is in single quotation, it's a varchar archer. Okay, you can see the data is based on gender, male gender. Display the record in ascending and descending order. What you have to type, select first name. I'm selecting column first name, comma, last name, comma, city, comma, country, from table, order by clause is used, first name. Ascending order means if we want the data based on ascending order or ABC alphabets, then I have to press type ascending order. If you type ascending or if you type ascending or without ascending, the default is ascending order. You can see A, C, D are the initial alphabets. If you want the data based on descending order, same, you have to just after order by column name you have to type descending, so it will start the first letter from Z, okay, bottom to top. Here you can see the first name, last name, city and country. Select star from employee table, order by. Here you can see the all details. I'm typing order by column name. Instead of column name, we can type column number as well. We will get the detail as per the column. Second is first name. Instead of column second, we can type city is our 7th column based on column 7. So we will get the data in a ascending order based on city here. Selecting unique or distinct record from table. Select distinct, DISTINCT. I'm taking the column name as country from table, employee table. Select and press F5. You can see the unique countries is 6. Suppose if we want the countries from the table, select country from table. Here you can see I'm selecting both the distinct and without distinct. You can see with distinct you are getting 6 unique countries. Without distinct you can see here 6 countries. With distinct, without distinct 10 countries you can see. Okay, the unique countries are 6 like distinct, and without distinct is 10 countries are there. Thank you. Have a good day.